if I'm doing that to a two family, I'm bringing my laundry upstairs to that second floor. Cause what are you gonna do with that kitchen? The plumbing's already there. You might as well make it a laundry room or a really stupid nice bathroom, and then turn the bathroom that's up there, either keep it so now it's three bathrooms or make that the laundry room. Cause if I'm all the way upstairs, I still gotta go in the basement and wash. And then some people are turning the kitchens into an actual room. So now instead of a four-bedroom or two unit, now they done made it like a six-bedroom house, which is crazy, but I guess people buying them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, here you go, 3061. That sold for 50,000. It had actual dogs in there. Oh, for people who I'm talking about dogs, I'm not talking about woof woof. So dogs stand for door and window guard system, which is these steel covers y'all see on the house right there. So I only put dogs on the first floor and then boarded up the second floor. But the city made me board up them three little ones. Like, who about to get up there in the attic? But whatever.